Lily and Leo's Incredible Machine Adventure. Lily and Leo were ready for their biggest trip yet. They stood in their playroom next to their newest invention. They clicked the button on the Shrink-O-Matic and zap! They became as tiny as a grain of sand. Let's explore our incredible machine. Leo cheered, pointing toward a magical glowing portal. They stepped through the portal and floated into a world of bright colors. Everything was moving and humming. "We are inside!" Lily shouted. They landed in a fast-flowing river of deep red. This was the bloodstream, the busy highway that travels through the whole body. Thump, 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 thump. A giant, rhythmic sound filled the air. Around the corner, they saw the heart. It was a powerful muscle that worked just like a big, strong pump. It pushed the red river along, sending energy to every single finger and toe. A friendly red blood cell floated by their ledge. He looked like a bouncy, red pillow. "Jump on," he said with a wink. "I am an oxygen carrier. I help the body stay strong and keep the lights on." Lily hopped onto his back and waved her hat. Leo followed close behind on another cell. They watched as the red river flowed into a soft, pink forest. "The heart keeps us moving," Leo said, feeling the steady beat under his feet. "It is the most hard-working pump in the entire world." Next, it was time to go up, up, up. They left the red river and climbed onto a glowing silver path called a nerve. "This leads straight to the brain," Lily explained. "That is the control center for everything we do." The brain looked like a magnificent city made of twinkling stars and neon lights. Every part of the city had a special job. "Look," cried Leo. "This part helps us dance, and that part over there helps us remember the words to our favorite songs." Zip, zap! Tiny flashes of golden light flew past them like shooting stars. These were messages being sent by tiny workers called neurons. One flash zoomed right past Lily's ear. "That message says, 'Wiggle your nose,'" she laughed, touching her face. Leo watched a soft, warm glow emanating from a nearby tower. "The brain helps us feel happy, sad, or brave," he said softly. "It tells our legs to run and our eyes to see. It is the smartest part of our incredible machine." Pop! With one last click of their remote, Lily and Leo grew back to their normal size. They found themselves back in their playroom, feeling very big again. They hugged each other tight. "Our bodies are amazing," Lily said. They couldn't wait for their next adventure inside.